Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like two-toned split dress on Dress to Impress. So I don't remember exactly what I'm wearing, so I'm not going to do it from the start, but I will show you guys what I wore. So it looks like there's like almost no, I guess, like breaks except for like this one. There's like no rips except for that. Except for when I walk, you will see a little bit, but like in the front, it looks perfect and like the white won't come through. But here's basically what, whoops, here's basically what I wore. I wore this one from the Quest. I wore this like top. You don't need to really wear these skirts, but it's a great touch. I also wore these like dresses. It's this one here. I also wore this top, and then I wore this, but I think you don't really need to wear this top. I just wore it because I wanted to recreate the enchanted look. But that is pretty much it. Really, you get this really cute dress, but just ignore it from the back. I really like how this one like splits in the like side, but there's like a white dress still peeking through. But yes, you do need VIP for this because you need this dress. I haven't really tried it with the other dress that's super long. You can try it, but I think the mermaid tail will get out of the dress. But that is it for this video. Here, I'll show you one more time to the left what I'm showing. You can take a screenshot. This dress here, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, as well as these. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.